Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing PlayStation Plus Essential versus PlayStation Plus Premium. So if you don't know what these two offer, PlayStation Plus Essentials offers the base tier of PlayStation Plus, offering essential online features and monthly game additions. And PlayStation Plus Premium offers the most comprehensive PlayStation Plus tier, encompassing all features of Essential and Extra, plus additional perks. Now, let's go over their pros and cons. So, the pros of PlayStation Plus Essential is that you have access to online multiplayer, and then you have a monthly free games, typically 2 to 3 titles, cloud storage for game servers, and exclusive discounts for the PlayStation Store, and you have the Share Play feature. Now, the cons of it is that it has no access to the expansive game catalog, unlike Premium does. And it also lacks classic PlayStation titles like popular games, and you have no game trials or cloud streaming options. Now let's head on over to PlayStation Plus Premium. So it includes all essential benefits, as I mentioned earlier. So it also has access to the game catalog with hundreds of PS4 and PS5 games. You have classic catalog featuring PS1, PS2, PS3 games for streaming only, and PSP games. And you also have game trials for select titles. You also have cloud streaming for supported games on PS4, PS5, and PC, and additional perks like Ubisoft Plus, Classics, and Sony Pictures catalog. So the cons of it is that it has a higher cost than Essential, and PS3 games are available only via streaming, not download, and some features may not be available in all regions. So which one is right for you? So you should choose PlayStation Plus Essential if you're seeking basic online play and monthly game additions. And then you should opt for the PlayStation Plus Premium if you desire a vast library of current and classic games along with additional features like game trials and cloud streaming. So yeah, that is the difference between PlayStation Plus Essential and PlayStation Plus Premium. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.